Hey, super kids! Vicky the volcanologist here. You know what? I am sick and tired of tracking lava and molten rock all over my house after a good trek. So you know what I need? I need a nice pair of slippers to settle into after a whirlwind adventure. And you know what? I saw a pair that look like dinosaurs' feet. Do you want to make them? Well then come on! First, the super plan. Gather your materials, wrap the tissue box, then add the toes, and finally, make it super. Here's what you'll need. 2 empty tissue boxes, a few sheets of construction paper, 2 sheets of craft foam or white cardstock, scissors, tape, a glue stick, a pencil and eraser, coloring supplies, felt, this one's optional, and extra stuff for decorating like craft foam or more construction paper or whatever you want. Pause now if you need more time to get those supplies. Are you ready to craft? I sure am. Now let's make some tissue box dinosaur feet. Step 1, we wrap the tissue box. First, we're going to cover the tissue box with the construction paper. To do that, trace the sides cut them out and glue them to the box. You can add tape to make them more secure. Don't worry about covering the bottom. It can remain uncovered. To make the top, trace the box and then draw an oval. It's okay if it's not exactly the same size as the hole. We can fix this later. Repeat this with the second tissue box. I am impressed. Press pause if you need more time. Now step 2, the toes. Using your craft foam, cut out 6 mean-looking dinosaur claws. Cut them out. Tape or glue them to the edge of the tissue box. Rock on! Press pause if you need more time. And now's for our last step. Step 3, and you know what that means. Make it super. Oh, are those clouds gathering up ahead? Ah, yeah, they are. What kind of storm is brewing? Say it with me. A brainstorm. Grab your coloring supplies and add some details to your dinosaur feet. I'm gonna place some soft felt inside so I can wear these as my comfy indoor slippers. I'll slide them right on after a long day of hiking up and down volcanoes. Maybe you want to add some extra craft foam to cover up any bits you missed. Have fun with it. Keep sweating the details, super kids. Press pause if you need more time. Oh my magma! Wow, super kids! Those are lavalicious! Where are you gonna wear your dinosaur feet off to? I know these make me feel so powerful! When you're done, why don't you snap a pic and send that to hello@supernow.com. I want to call this craft a volcano because it sure was a blast! I'll see you next time.